Every day, week, or minute, the market is trying to achieve something. The bigger perspective might be trying to hit a level far away, while at the same time, a smaller time frame perspective may be playing itself out in the opposite direction, trying to run stops. Now, over time, the bigger time frame perspective tend to play itself out, but a lot can happen on the smaller time frames before the bigger time frame actually come to fruition. Different narratives at different time frames are playing themselves out all of the time. To understand what narrative your idea belongs to is key. If you're trading a bigger time frame idea like a weekly or a daily chart, it's important to realize and to understand that it's not unusual for price to stand still or move against you even for days before it actually happens. And your main job as a trader in that situation is to make sure to still be in your position when the move actually happens, to tie things together, to understand the narrative that playing itself out in the market at all times is a skill that very few traders master. Hell, I don't even know if you can master that as a skill, but I know this. If you study narrative, if you try to understand it at a deeper level, you can plan your trades, make better decisions, and improve your trading. At least that is what I'm trying to do all of the time. Now, some people say that you will have to use multiple time frames to achieve this kind of combination, where you can build a perspective on a larger time frame and then enter on the smaller one. I don't know if that is a must. I don't know if you have to do it that way. I know I am doing it that way. I use bigger time frames and then I enter on smaller time frames. But I mean, in the end, you will have to find out what works best for you. There's only one way to do that. And to speed things up, you can absolutely learn and take opinions and advice from other traders. But ultimately, what you will have to do is to try different things in your simulator, demo account, and of course, backtesting. That is where you will find out what works best for you. One ingredient, traders, that will definitely improve your trading by miles is to understand the narrative. Steer some of your focus to that part of your analysis and your trading narrative to understand what the market is trying to achieve right now. That is a great question, by the way, to add to your current checklist or trading strategy. To ask yourself at all times, what are they trying to achieve right now? And if you can answer that, you can make better decisions.